How to delete your Almosafer account permanently and remove your personal data step by step. So here on today's video, I'll be teaching you how to delete your Almosafer account permanently. Now to delete your Almosafer account permanently and remove your personal data step by step. All we need to do is open up your Almosafer right here. Once you open up your Almosafer, next step we need to do is click on the profile on the bottom right corner. There we go. After you click on the profile on the bottom right corner, next thing we need to do is scroll down, scroll till you see a screen right there that says security. Press on security right there. So after you click on security, this is the most exciting part. Is click on delete account. There you go. After clicking on delete account, all we need to do is go down, and once you're here down right here, you'll see delete my account. After pressing on that, you can read a few things before you delete your account right here, because some of these are very important with delete, because you gotta delete your personal data right here. So I suggest checking on it before you go ahead and hopping up and going to your merry happy day. Then all you need to do is click on delete my account. After pressing on delete my account, we're sorry to see you go. No, you're not. Anyways, click on send verification code. So after clicking on send verification code, you'll receive a verification code here on your email. So click on send verification code. So as you can see right now, right here, wait here, you're halfway through, don't leave, blah blah blah. I think we're lagging a bit. So here, it's not okay. So there you go. I'm not getting any value having it. There, let's proceed. Then we're gonna get our sub code. So we're gonna wait for the code. There you go. There you go. So here we have here. So 291817. And there you go. As you can see right now, click on the check right there and submit verification code. Then click on OK. Then your account's been deleted. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. I appreciate you enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, have the question, we'll guys have to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. There you guys. Thank you guys, and see you next one. Bye.